What brings us together here has blessed us all today. Love has made a circle that holds us all inside. Strangers are as family, and loneliness can't hide. So give yourself to love. If it's what you're after, open up your hearts to tears and laughter, and give yourself to love. Give yourself to love. I walk these mountains in the rain.